that mystified the first European explorers. They're ringed with moss and littered with seeds. Strange decorations hang from the branches nearby. A male MacGregor's bowerbird. He has built this tower with hundreds of sticks, and he maintains it year after year. It has one purpose and one purpose only: to impress females. It requires constant maintenance. What's that stick doing there? That won't do. But now, this. Perfect. With maintenance done for the day, it's time to renew the decorations. Rotting berries, caterpillar droppings. Delightful. As a younger bird, before he started gathering sticks, he collected sounds. Some are songs he has heard elsewhere in the forest. The calls of other kinds of birds. Chopping wood, perhaps. A barking dog. Even the sound of children playing, and their frustrated parents. She seems to be listening attentively. Now they begin to dance around their maypole. He's careful not to completely reveal himself. Excitement mounts. Was it too soon? She's back. Still interested.